Is MyPlace for Parts. MyPlace for Parts lets you find parts, check prices, check availability, place orders online from any PC or mobile device. MyPlace for Parts is available 24/7, 365. It's fast, it's easy to use, and it has more features than any of our competitors. Let's start the tour. First, MyPlace for Parts has a simple and easy to use navigation bar that's displayed across the top of every screen. MyPlace has a quick and easy lookup that requires 50% fewer clicks than most competitors. Simply click the new lookup button and you can walk your way through the traditional category selector. We've even combined cars and trucks to make it easy. The traditional application lookup is very simple. After you've picked your year, make, model, and engine type, you'll then select your category, group, and part type. The faster way to search for parts is to use the Vehicle and Part Quick Find. In this example, I'm going to search for an 09 Acura MDX, but as you can see, all I type is 09 MDX. In another example, I'm going to search for a 75 year model car with a 351 engine. As you can see, the vehicle search results only return items with the matching year and engine type. Once you've selected your vehicle, one option for finding the right part is to use the category selector. Here, you'll select your part category, then the group, then the part type. By pressing go, MyPlace will display the desired parts with price and availability. Alternatively, you can use the category selector to look up parts by job type. Simply click on the Job tab instead of the Group tab. Pick your job, in this case an engine tune-up, select your part types, and then press Go. In this scenario, MyPlace returned spark plugs and fuel filters with price and availability. Alternatively, you can look up very generic part types. In this example, I'm searching for a sensor. As you can see, MyPlace returned every part type with the word sensor in it. It also allows you to look up vehicles and parts by the VIN number or license plate to ensure you find the right parts. MyPlace also offers a mobile VIN scan app, which allows you to scan the VIN or enter in the license plate number from a mobile device in the parking lot or out in your shop, saving you time from having to walk back to your computer. Once scanned and entered, the mobile app will transmit that data directly to MyPlace for Parts, allowing you to look up vehicles and parts more quickly and accurately. MyPlace also offers a helpful interchange box, which lets you interchange competitor part numbers as well as OE part numbers into parts that we carry. Alternatively, if you know the part number you're looking for, you can use the part number inquiry search box to search for a specific part number in our system. Once you've performed your part lookup or search, you'll find that MyPlace offers a lot of helpful information about the parts you're looking for. Clicking on hyperlinked item descriptions opens a pop-up window that displays graphics, measurements, package quantity, and other manufacturer specifications. The Part Action button provides you with that item's part number, line code, and year range. Clicking on the Part Action button brings up links to a buyer's guide, interchange, parts details page, and other helpful information. The brand's logo makes it easy to find the brands you prefer. By clicking on the logo, you'll be provided with links to the vendor's website and other helpful information. Cost and list price are clearly displayed for each item. Clicking on the Hide Cost button will toggle your view between Show Cost, Hide Cost, and Show Cost as a code. The quantity column shows the quantity you wish to order and defaults to the per car quantity where available. Clicking on the green shopping cart button will move that item into your shopping cart. The blue list button allows you to add items to your existing list or create a new list. We'll talk more about this feature later. You can also sort by availability or click the drop-down to view availability within our cell network. MyPlace also offers a very robust filter and sort menu. By clicking the yellow filter button, you can apply a wide range of filters or sort criteria to further refine your search results in the future. The Supplies, Accessories, and Tools box allows you to search for common non-vehicle specific items around your shop. To use the box, simply type basic words that meet the criteria you're looking for. Jack, 3/8 rivet, 10W30, OBD, gas can, oil dry, or whatever else you need. In this example, we look up a simple hand cleaner. The results are complete with graphics and other helpful product information. In another example, we search for a scan tool. You can also search for those generic, non-application specific parts that are sometimes hard to find. MyPlace also offers a custom parts list feature, which can be found by clicking the list button at the top of the screen. This module allows you to create custom parts lists for commonly used items or to keep lists for common jobs or items that you stock at your shop. You can quickly create stock orders from the stocked item list. Your sales rep can help you set this up. Once a stocked item list is set up, should you look up an item you stock, a blue box will highlight the quantity on that item to indicate that you probably have it in your shop, so you don't need to order it from the warehouse. Once you've found all the items you need and added them to your shopping cart, simply click the checkout button at the top right of the screen. That will take you to your shopping cart, which shows the list of items ready to check out. Here, you can add a PO number, notes for the order, or save the order for reference later. When you're ready to submit the order to the warehouse, simply click the order button at the bottom right of the screen. MyPlace also integrates with over 25 shop and collision management systems. Integration is quick and easy and can be performed by your local sales rep. Call us for details. Next, we'll review the new labor estimator feature, which allows you to quote an end-to-end job with parts and labor without leaving MyPlace for parts. This new feature costs $12 per month, so ask your salesperson to sign up and for more details. To use the labor module, you'll start by looking up your vehicle. In this case, we're looking up a 2014 Ford Mustang with a 5.8-liter engine. Once your vehicle is selected, you'll select your part category, group, and part type. Next, you'll add the desired parts to your shopping cart. In this case, we're doing a basic brake job with front pads and rotors. Once you've added them to your cart, your shopping cart totals will update at the top right of the screen. Now you're ready to quote your labor. To quote labor, click on the black L icon at the left of each part. You can also find it quickly at the top of the screen in the Vehicle and Part Quick Find. By clicking the labor button, you'll be prompted again to select your category, group, and part descriptions. By default, all of the part descriptions for a selected group will appear, but you can uncheck that box and select specific parts. When you're ready, click the Get Labor Data button. In this example, we're replacing front pads, then we'll scroll down, and then we'll select front rotors. As you can see, the labor view displays the labor rate, hours needed for the job, and the skill level for that job. You can also modify your labor rate at any time. Once you're ready, you'll select Add to Cart. And now your shopping cart has been updated to include your labor totals. When you're ready to check out, simply click the checkout button. On the shopping cart screen, you'll see that the parts you looked up are listed and ready to go. Now that you've quoted labor, you'll also see that your labor items are listed with dollar amount totals for your customer. Lastly, we'll discuss a few new features that are coming soon. One exciting new feature will be system diagrams for the parts you're working on. By clicking on an icon in the part group, the system will not only display the part type, it will also display a pop-up diagram with the part you've selected as well as other relevant parts. You'll be able to select the parts from the diagram and proceed to checkout.